Swinging and banging en las trocas con los corriditos, vidrios polarizados, asientos de cocodrilo, escamas de pescado, rines cromados y limpios. Se oyen las bocinas de mi troca por las calles, también arrancones cuando hay feria.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another vlog. About to leave work. It's 2:30 around-ish. Had an early start. See if we could get some work done on the truck today. I gotta finish taking the drive shaft off, disconnecting the thing that connects the transmission to the frame, and try to see if I could take that motor out. Hopefully today. If not, I have to wait another weekend. Unfortunately, I had to work last weekend, Friday morning, and then all Friday night, so like 9 in the morning Saturday. So it wasn't gonna happen. But whatever. So yeah, about to leave the plant, going home. Stay tuned. Got this bad boy in the air. Gotta disconnect that drive shaft off. Once that's off, gotta take the transmission mount. And hopefully after that, take that engine out, man. Keep you guys updated. Drive shaft off. Good boy. Onto the transmission. Alright guys, so that 350's out. Finally. Now the cleaning process starts. I'm gonna degrease everything. Most likely paint it too. Me changing a lot of parts. Change the pinion rack. Put brand new motor mounts. That exhaust is coming out. What else? But yeah, it's an update. Motor finally out. The cleaning begins. Dropping off the motor at my suegro's house.